want you to pull me. Catch me up. Kaya na tayong mark. Ito na mark 1 coin with... Oh, mahal yun. Wow. Expensive mistake. Actually. Kaya ba? Lagyan mo yung sa likod mo. And then, lagay mo siya either hand. And then, when you're done, kahit saan lang, lagay mo ganyan. Ganyan ka. Ganyan. Tapos siya. Sipin mo yung kung nasan yung coin. Dito ko tumingin, so dito yung coin. Tama, tiro? Patingin? Ayaw makita. Saba. Yung mali. Yan. I want you to try and pull it, okay? There you go. Make it hard. Sipin mo yung coin. Nasaan? Nasaan? I think lagay mo ulit siya rito. Last one. This last part medyo mahirap na think of the coin. Baka hindi ka na makuha. Kasi you're trying to pull it up. But open this one. Okay, let's make this harder. Have a pouch. Can you examine? Normal lang yan. Kung meron ka ibang bag, mas okay. Lagay ko yung dalawang coin dito. Okay? Isa lang yung may X dyan, di ba? Right? With your right hand, buka na isang coin. Isa lang. Huwag mo titingnan.
Ikas ka may naibit eh.
Huwag mo titingnan. Okay yan? Hindi, dyan pa yung isa yun. Kunin mo yung isang coin. Huwag mo titingnan muna. Saka na kamay na. Ayan. Okay. Tatalikod ako. And then I want you to look at the coin. Kung papakita sa camera, tingnan mo pareho. Para alamin mo kung nasa yung X. Okay? Tingnan mo lang ha. Mabilis sabay sarado kagad. Tatalikod ako. Go. Okay na? Sipin mo yung coin. It's here.
Nababasa ko din.
Okay. Pahirapan mo naman. Medyo mahirap-hirap. Dalawa na yan. Yeah. First coin. One coin lang muna. Baka kinuha mo lahat eh. Okay.
Wala.
Okay, tatalikod ulit ako. Take a look at the coin. Quick. Kung titingnan ha. Kung papakita kay kanino. Quick. Okay, and go. Okay na? Okay na? Ayaw, mag-react ako. And it's here! Last one. Try to pull me. Alam mo naman kung anong hinahanap ko, di ba? Body language, whatever. Okay? Take a look. Isang coin lang muna. Sala. Randaya, walang una lahat. Titingnan. Kaya natin mas mahirap. Hindi mo alam kung nasaan. Sure? Open this coin. Galing! Usay! Wala kang ESP.